So your seeds, everybody, get your seeds ordered. Yes, welcome to Gardening with Ben. It's now time to start ordering all your seeds if you haven't already, or start looking around at what seeds that you want to grow this year. Now, every single year I love to grow something new down at the allotment, and a different variety of something that I've never grown before. And it's exciting seeing how well it gets produced, and sometimes it's great to grow varieties that you won't see in the supermarket or in the shops and try them, and sometimes they grow a hell of a lot better than the varieties that you would see in the supermarket. One year I grew purple cauliflower and they grew a lot better than the white variety down here at the allotment, so I've stuck to growing the purple variety. However, I've seen a yellow variety of a cauliflower which I've never grown before, so that is on my list to grow this year. I keep seeing all these seed adverts of different varieties of stuff popping up, and I keep adding it to my list. My list is getting absolutely longer and longer. So the best place to do is either go to a garden centre or to a shop, have a look at the seed racks and write down which ones that you want to try growing this year, or purchase them if you've got the money there and then, and get all your seeds sorted. Another good way is to have a look in seed catalogues as well. Many shops and online places do seed catalogues so that you can actually see them in the catalogues under the different varieties, like under Brussels sprouts or under cauliflowers, and you can choose which varieties you want, and then you can purchase them online, or you can purchase them obviously through the catalogue. But that is a great way as well. And there's another variety that I might try and grow this year. It's a purple Brussels sprout. Now, I don't like Brussels sprouts, so the purple one I might actually like. That's if they do taste any different. Let me know in the comments if you've grown purple Brussels sprouts, because I'd love to know. But yeah, there's loads of varieties. Like, you can get different coloured carrots, different coloured beetroots, even purple spring onions as well. There's so many different varieties out there, so have a look through all the seeds and try something new. One year I did like loads of different varieties of squash, try them all to see which ones grew well in that. And another year I grew different varieties of beans, the purple beans, the blue beans, the yellow beans, all different varieties. So it's great to experiment and try something new. If it don't grow, oh well, you've lost a few pounds in a packet of seeds, but it's great to experiment and see if it actually does well or not. And like I said, they could taste a lot nicer than the other main varieties that you often see around in the supermarkets and the shops. And it's great for pictures as well. Obviously I like sharing lots of pictures and everything like that. So yeah, have a look around, start ordering your seeds and start choosing what varieties you want to grow. And once you've got them all, plan your allotment, draw a plan of it and draw where you want to grow stuff, and obviously look at which areas are shaded, which areas are not, so that you know what you're working with when it starts growing. So I hope you found that useful. Let me know if you've got all your seeds ordered, and until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.